Hi, I'm Reynold Donovan. I'm a dentist, maybe like you since you're watching this, who was frustrated with the in-office message system I used for almost 30 years. I searched all the systems available out there and couldn't find anything better. So, I developed eMessage. As dentists, we all need a system that sends clear, concise messages with greater flexibility and is easy for your team to learn. One that's intuitive and not disruptive, that runs on inexpensive and durable tablets, not computer monitors, and is wall-mounted or counter-mounted. That's eMessage. In 5 minutes, your team will be composing and sending messages. You'll love the increase in productivity and decrease in confusion. eMessage is affordable, there are no monthly subscriptions, and updates are always free. We're so confident that you'll love eMessage that once it's shipped, you'll have more than a month to try it out. And if for any reason you're not thrilled, return it for a full refund. We'd love to show you how it works and answer all your questions. Click on the button below for a live demo. Thanks for watching.